So, good morning, students. Chapter 2 is completed. Now, first chapter was remaining. Let us take the first chapter now. This chapter is introducing biology. My dear students of class 9th, for this chapter I will not provide you any written note, but you have to make your written notes by seeing this video. You have to write in your notebook the points which I underline. Clear? Just write those points from here, from this video, which I underline. Please just listen me carefully. For this, like the second chapter, no written notes by my hand will not be provided, because this is easy chapter. Just you have to learn certain definitions from here. So, my dear students, you have to just write by seeing from this particular video the things which I underline, the questions which I tell, that you must note down in your notebook while seeing this particular video. Clear? So, this is chapter 1 introducing biology, my dear students. First of all, as we know that biology, it is one of the branch of science. So, first of all, we must know what is science, definition of science. My dear students, this definition you have to write in your notebook. The definition of science you have to write in your notebook. So, let us discuss this. Science is an organized body of knowledge supported by observation and experimentation, derived from the study of natural phenomena of the entire material universe. My dear students, the science deals with the knowledge which we get by observations, which we get by experimentation. Generally, we used to do the experiments, then we used to observe the things, and also we used to study the natural phenomena taking place in our universe by the science, by the help of science. So, my dear students, this science definition you must write in your notebook. First of all, the science definition you write. Science is an organized body of knowledge supported by observation and experimentation, derived from the study of natural phenomena of the entire material universe. Entire material universe. So, this definition of science, my dear students, you have to write in your fair notebook. You have to write in your fair notebook. Clear? Now, let us move further. Next, you have to write this. There are three branches of science, three major branches of science, namely physics, chemistry and biology. So, there are three branches of science. How many branches of science are there? Physics, chemistry and biology. This line you must write. Then next you have to write the definition of biology. Biology is the study of living beings, that is all plants and animals including humans. So, from this paragraph, my dear students, two things you have to write. Three major branches of science, physics, chemistry, biology, and definition of biology you have to write. Biology is the study of living beings, that is all plants and animals including humans. So, till now three things I told you to write: definition of science, three branches of science, and definition of biology. Definition of biology. Clear all of you? Definition of biology. Now, let us move further. Next we have growth of biology. Growth of biology. No one can say when the study of biology exactly began. Primitive man, we cannot say when the biology exactly began. Primitive man lived in jungles and caves. Earlier, the people used to live in the jungles and caves. They used to collect food from natural vegetation and hunted wild animals. Through this activity, he learned about the life and habits of different animals and recognized various plants and their parts. So, my dear students, earlier the people used to live in jungles and caves. They used to learn about different plants and different animals which are there in the habitation. So, that was the beginning of biology. Next, the drawing of animals and plants in the caves of prehistoric period are proof of primitive man's interest in plants and animals around him. This line also you have to write in your notes. The drawing of in the growth of biology, this line you must write. The drawing of animals and plants in caves of prehistoric period are proof of primitive man interest in plants and animals around him. So, just write this point, last point, this point in your fair notebook in the growth of biology. Clear? The drawing of animals and plants in the caves of prehistoric periods are proof of primitive man's interest in plants and animals around him. So, this also you have to note down. Clear? This also you have to note down. Now, we shall discuss next. Next, my dear students, you have to note down this: father of biology or father of zoology. Who is known as the father of biology or father of zoology? This you have to note down in your notebook. Father of biology, the name is Aristotle. Clear? Father of biology, father of zoology, Aristotle. This you must note down in your notebook. Next, father of botany you have to write in your notebook. Who is the father of botany? Theophrastus. Theophrastus. Clear, all of you? So, these things just write, the underlined things you must write in your notebook while seeing this video. Father of biology or father of zoology. Who is known as the father of biology and father of zoology? Aristotle. Aristotle. Then next, father of botany. Father of botany, Theophrastus. Theophrastus. Father of botany is Theophrastus. Next, you have to write this father of medicine. This also you have to write. Father of medicine, Hippocrates. So, who is known as the father of medicine? Hippocrates. Clear, all of you? These things you have to note down in your fair notebook. Clear? Next, my dear students, we will discuss branches of biology. Branches of biology. Clear? Let us see in terms of major kinds of organisms. Clear? These things which I will study now, that all things you have to note down now, because as it is you have to learn. For example, botany, the study of plants. If it is asked what is botany, define botany, you have to write study of plants is called botany. Sometimes in name the following, the question can be asked study of plants, you have to write botany. Clear? Then next, zoology. Zoology is the study of animals. This also you have to write in your notebook. Study of animals is known as zoology. Next, my dear students, human biology. Only the first line that you have to write. The study of human as a living organism and his relationship with other living organism is known as human biology. So, in human biology, we used to study of human as a living organism and his relationship with the other living organism. So, this all things which I am making you underline, that you must note in your notebook, my dear students. Clear, all of you, about all this botany, zoology, human biology, all these things you must note down. Clear. Now, let us see the next. In terms of special groups of organisms, this also you have to write these things. In terms of special group of organisms, study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. Study of virus, virology. Study of fungi, mycology. Clear? Bacteria, virus, fungi, these are microorganisms. So, study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. Study of virus, virology. Study of fungi, mycology. Study of fungi is known as mycology. So, these all the things please note in your notebook. Clear? Next, my dear students, phycology. Phycology is the study of alga. Study of alga is known as phycology. Next, entomology, the study of insects. The study of alga, phycology. The study of insects, entomology. The study of fish, that is known as ichthyology. Clear? Study of alga, phycology. Study of insects, entomology. Study of fish, ichthyology. Next, herpetology. Study of reptiles like lizards, snakes, etc. That is known as herpetology. Clear? Study of reptiles like lizard, snakes, that is known as herpetology. Herpetology. Next, my dear students, ornithology. It is the study of birds. The study of birds is known as ornithology. Sometimes, my dear student, definitions are asked, sometimes difference between can asked. For example, difference between entomology and ornithology. So, what you will write? Entomology is the study of insects. Ornithology is the study of birds. Ornithology is the study of birds. Clear? So, in this way also the question can be asked. All these things please note down in your notebook. Phycology, entomology, ichthyology, herpetology, ornithology, all this you must note down. Next, we will see in the next video. The things which I made underline in this particular video, please note it down.